Lovely people of YouTube, hi, welcome back. I'm shooting this video in a lower quality because I don't have internet, so I will have to upload it with my phone, and which is the reason why I'm trying to speak also very fast and be very quick on this update, because megabytes are gonna cost hours. I changed my internet provider and the new one is taking now to this day 2.5 months to activate the freaking line. Probably it's really difficult to turn on the computer and flicking the switches that I need to have internet, or maybe they are in siesta mode, or I don't know what the heck is going on in that place, but I should be online by the end of the month. Anyway, this is not a complaining video, it's just to get in touch with you and tell you that I'm gonna be coming back soon. I have 3 videos ready to publish, but of course I couldn't go to a internet cafe because they don't give you an upload speed decent enough to upload a video, and uploading one video will cost you an entire day and gazillion dollars, euros or whatever. Lots of stuff has been going on. I've built some new stuff here, router table, my aerosol station. This place looks like it's exploded again, but I'm just fixing it because I got a new aspiration system, so I'm giving it a cleanup and rearrangement. In the meantime, guys, I invite you to check my accounts on Instagram and Facebook. I've been posting daily videos and little videos and updates and pictures of what I'm doing. That's the best I can do for now. I'll be online soon again in the land of bananas. Even internet in 2018 can be something really like a unicorn. See you guys.